What if the next breakthrough against addiction comes from you? The time to act is now. In today's digital era, the internet has become a double-edged sword. Besides its countless benefits, it is also providing some social media platforms for illicit activities, including the sales of illegal substances. So, hello and welcome to our video on Smart India Hackathon 2024. Our team, Innovation Squad, has an incredible opportunity to address a global issue, that is drug trafficking, through innovation and technology. In last few years, the rise of encrypted messaging and social media platforms such as Telegram, WhatsApp, and Instagram has provided some new and secure channels to sell illicit narcotics, including the synthetic drugs, the dangerous synthetic drugs like MDMA, LDS, and methadone. Traffickers often create autonomous channels, bots, and Instagram handles to reach the potential buyers while evading trafficking. Our project aims to develop an advanced solution that automatically identify the live Telegram and WhatsApp channels, bots, and Instagram handles and hashtags being used for drug trafficking activities. By leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, and network analysis, our software will detect the traffickers' email IDs, IP address, and contact numbers who guys are behind this illegal operation. Through our innovative approach, we hope our system will make an safer social media environment from drug traffickers. Now coming to the solution, how we address the problem is basically we are creating a chatbot, and using machine learning technologies, we are implementing NLP and large language model, that is LLM, in it. Even we are implementing or integrating some APIs like Telegram bot API, Instagram graph API, and WhatsApp web automation in our chatbot. What we are doing this to join groups related drug related contents. After entering in a group, what will the bot do? The bot detects the advertiser and the seller. How will it detect? It will check what type of content is this. Is it an advertising type of content or it is a selling type of content? After detecting the seller, it will check is it a bot or a human. If it is a bot, that means the scale of this business is very large. And if it is a human, that means this is a mini scale business. After all, what we are checking for? We are checking the IP address, email IDs, and contact number of the drug trafficker. And using IP stack or IP geolocation based services, we are getting the IP address and location of the drug trafficker. Our software is different from others is that generally drug traffickers alter their code words within 14 days or after some time. Our software will detect that. How it will detect that? We are using LSTM technology, which means long short-term memory. It will help us, our system, to observe the pattern in long-term dependencies. By using these, our system will detect the newly change the code word and slangs. And what are the uniqueness? Uniqueness in our software is it will handling the real-time process data, and we are using multi-factor authentication system in our chatbot. Now coming to the technologies we are using. We are using Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript for language. We even choose TensorFlow 2.2, Sci-Kit, React.JS, and NLTK for libraries and frameworks. We choose under artificial intelligence. The technologies are convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, long short-term memory, large language model, and natural language processing. We are using MongoDB as a database, and we are using Telegram bot API, WhatsApp web automation, and Instagram graph API for APIs. Now coming to the data flow diagram, we thought to implement a chatting platform and we will introduce our software at the backend. We thought that in the chatbot we implement some code words related to drug in it, and our chatbot will detect that once, and through that we'll detect that culprit, and we'll get the IP address, email IDs and contact number of the culprit. Now coming to the feasibility and viability of our project will be feasible in a way. Our system requires data from various sources like bank transactions and shipping records. We are using AI/ML technologies with natural language processing for classification, clustering and detection of anomalies and patterns. The potential challenges and the risks we are gonna face while working on the project. Number one, the data quality and the availability. If the data quality and the availability is poor, it means if the datasets are outdated, inconsistent and incomplete. Second thing, what we're gonna face were the cyber attacks. Cyber attackers can attack our software to manipulate the dataset. The third will be the legal issue. According to the privacy laws such as GDPR and CCPA, if we share someone's personal information like email ID and the IP address, that will come under criminal offense. So that will be challenges for us while working on the project. Overcoming these challenges, we are applying following strategies. Number one, we are going to form alliances with social media platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp and Instagram to get the metadata analysis. Number two, we are using AI/ML technologies with large language model. That's why our chatbot can converse according to the chat. Third, we are using blockchain technology to safeguard our system. Fourth, we are using multi-factor authentication program so that the unauthorized user cannot access our code. After all of this, now let's talk about the impact and benefits of using our solution. The potential impacts of our solution are: it is easier for the authorities to identify and locate the people who are connected with drug trafficking. Second one is the faster response. If using our solution, the response of the authorities will be much more faster. And the talking about the benefits of our solution, number one, the crime rates will be decreased, the public health will be better. Number three, the production will be enhanced. And number four, the environmental damages will be diminished. Drug trafficking is a global issue that affects millions of people. But if we take the right technology and the determination, we can make a huge difference. If we work together, we can develop a solution that disrupts this dangerous trade and protect communities. Thank you for watching, and remember, we all have a role to play in the fight against drug trafficking. Let's innovate, collaborate, and make the world safer. Join the fight and be the part of our solution.